Giro. I just received this, it's a piece of travel on Luggage. I'm excited because I am going to be doing tons of traveling next year, and I'm only going to have enough room for my carry-on, so I am super excited to see what they sent. It says ready to go, so let's stop here. So it says hello Giro.com/hello. So it comes with this 10,000 mAh power, I believe this is a power box, fit for mobile phones, tablets, cameras. Let me just show you guys this. How amazing is that? I'm going to set this to the side, and we are going to take the luggage out. Let's toss the box on the floor. Let me show you guys. And inside the box it says thank you. Little carry on. Make sure this is out of the way. It's a nice little bag. This is actually how it looks. I'm going to turn it to the side. You guys can see these wheels are very different than your normal carry-on. This is the back. There's a zipper there. You can put a water bottle in. There's a zipper here. You can put your passport information in. You can put your ID, and you see how it snaps back down, so that's secure. So you have 3 levels, 1, 2, and 3. Then you also have this. This is actually where you charge your phone. So I'm going to turn it around this way. Have another compartment right here. This is an additional compartment. I love that on the side. You also have your lock. So you can, let's see how you open that up. You just push up, and it releases the locks, and you push down, it releases the locks. So push up, release the locks here, push down, release the locks there. So then you have another compartment, which this is technically called the office compartment. So you have space for your laptop. You take, this goes into one of these. Oh, here it is. These connect, and then you can charge your phone from up here. So that's awesome. There's another compartment inside. And let's see what this is. This is an additional strap that's included. This is your TSA accepted luggage lock. So the locks are approved for TSA, which are perfect. Let's see. You have another little small compartments that you can stick your cell phone. So for me, this is amazing because I normally travel with a backpack and maybe a small carry-on. So now I don't even need to carry my laptop bag or my computer, or my purse. I can just put it all in here. And then, so let's open the main compartment and see what's inside. And there you have it. Open this up. This is a mesh bag. You can put your little lingerie in there. This, you can, let's see, this can pop off as well. I think. No, maybe. Oh, yes, it does. There it is. And then this comes out to give you that. You have that space. And then on the back side, you have another section that you can put your little intimate stuff in. I love the space. There's a side zipper where you can put socks or something else there. And then you also have this section as well. So although the space looks a little smaller, I guess, than maybe a larger carry-on, you still have enough room. For me, this is enough room because I can roll and pack my items together. So this is perfect. Let's see. Show you guys. So you don't have a problem with spinning because it spins just like the regular full luggage that the flight attendants use. So just want to come on and show you guys. And then there's also the handle right there when you're grabbing it off of the luggage.